machine's power supply. 3 live wires and 1 new wires connection with cabinet. A, B, C. 3 live wires, 1 new wires. This is the power supply, and this is the each one wire connection. 1, 2 it belong to extrude line 1. 1 is auto feeder. 2 is motor. 220 volt, 380 watt. This one is line 1. This one is line 2. Line 1, line 2. 3, 4 is line 2. Line 2 auto feeder motor. Line 2 extruder motor. Red color is receiver. Is red color. It belong to here, receiver. And each one ground protection wire connected with here. We have max here. This leave wires, no wires. Connection like this. Some machines exchange. No wire here. We have max. Just follow the max is okay. And this wires is blower. Blower is 3 live wires connection and 1 ground protection wires connection here. And this is line 1 heating. Line 1 heating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 new wires. This is line 2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and new wires. And this is the air heating. Air heating 1, air heating 2. This is air heating 1 sensor. Air heating 2 sensor. Okay. Air heating is his. This one is air heating. Air heating 1, air heating 2. And here is the line 1 and line 2 sensors, temperature sensor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is line 1. 6 to 10 is line 10, line 2 sensor. Here, line 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the die model is 5. It's here. Later we'll show you. This is the controller. Switch on and switch off. Capital panel. This each one contact. We show here. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is line 1. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5. Line 2. Air heat 1, air heat 2. This is the auto feeder 1, auto feeder 2. This one is the receiver. This is 24 volt. 1 is for this. This one for 2 cooling fans. each sensor. Each one panel.